This is dedicated to you, Will, and you know who you are. Eggbot nut. Okay, this is the Eggbot kit. Let's see, Eggbot pen arm parts. Check. Eggbot hardware bag A. Yes, indeed. Here's my list of Eggbot parts there. Can't see in there, can we? Who knows what that is? Electricity. Eggbot hardware bag B, and so forth, and so on here. Okay. Caution, enclosed parts may have sharp edges. Here's the Sharpie that the Eggbot draws with. A squished box of something. What's in there? Yeah, it's hard doing stuff with one hand. Transformer. I'm thinking. Alright. Caution, sharp parts. Oh boy. Alright. So much for that. Well, so next step, opening the bags, I guess. See ya. Their stuff. And it's very clear, isn't it? Nicely done. So there you go. Okay, well, the next thing we do is you go online and you go to the original Eggbot kit wiki. And it tells you what to do and what to download. The first thing you download is the step-by-step Eggbot assembly guide. And it's going to be cool. You have to sort of take the sharp bits off the chassis and things like that. And then it's just going to do other stuff. And it's very clear, isn't it? Nicely done. So there you go. Anyway, so that's that about this part. So everything's unpacked. I've got my PDF on the computer opposite, so I just turn in my little seat here. And we go back to the Eggbot kit. By the way, Will, did you hear this yet? Yeah. Okay, watch this. Tick, tick, tick. It's not focusing, is it? Okay, now I'm going to take this away. See, now it's complaining. Isn't that awful? Now it's sort of complaining. Now it's half click, half squeak. And as the light comes further over, the current does different things. But the whine is really... It's scared. It's scared. Anyway, see ya.